In this video, I'll show you how to check Instagram analytics. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational kinds of content like this. If any reasons you love to check your Instagram analytics, head over to your Instagram, right? So this is our Instagram. Right here you can see the dashboard. Click on this dashboard, right? So wait for it to load up. Once it has opened up, you're gonna see the insights, like you're gonna see everything, right? So click on this, click on the accounts, right? So from here you're gonna see your Instagram analytics. You're gonna see total followers, total non-followers, total interactions, total profile views, activity, and everything, right? So you can still come on and adjust based on the days. It can be last 7 days, last 14 days, last 30 days, last 90 days, right? So you can select it. Everything is going to show up right here. So this is basically how you can check Instagram analytics. If you find it very helpful, share it below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm going to see you all in the next one.